All right, here is our box from Star Knight Motor, and I was calling it Star Knight Mountain for my last two reviews, my front and rear windshield, but it is Star Knight Motor, or maybe StarknightMT. Okay, packaged up very neatly. Star Knight Motor sticker. Finish unboxing, but the directions sound like top sides, bar, maybe bottom after that. Thing looks pretty nice so far. Probably gonna get it all dirty. Okay, there's that adhesive stuff. We'll just leave that alone. Here's their logo. It's like kind of sewn on in rubber. It's a rubber logo sewn on. That's pretty cool. Just get this thing lifted up, keep it off the dirt. Looks pretty nice. These are not very expensive either. Let's get our view switched. All right. This looks pretty simple. I'm gonna go around here, through here. That could be a little bit smaller, bigger, I mean. Just don't make it tight. Try to figure out where the middle is. Definitely like the quick, easy installation. All right, so this bottom piece, I can see that you would roll up the window and you could latch it right here. The bottom piece has adhesive to stick down here, but that would cover up these slots here, and I use those a lot for my tarp straps to tie stuff down. So if I was keeping this, I would probably just cut this off right here, something like that. But if you don't use these for anything, then not an issue, and having that down there is definitely gonna keep the elements and the wind out more, having that sealed up. All right, so everything is on there loose, and I guess you just center it up and tighten it up now, which is really easy. All right, it's on there. Let's check out the zipper. The zipper is covered out of the weather on the outside, but it does have a grab on both sides. And they said about the wrinkles in the windshield, I mean, it's not even bad, even though this just came out of the box. And then you would roll that up, and the strap is right here on the other side of the window. It goes to this to hold that. Just tuck that down there for now. Zip that back up. Definitely a nice, easy working zipper. All right, let's get this roof back in place that I didn't even really have tied down very well. All right, it's on there except for adhering this bottom piece, cleaning and adhering that. So I'm gonna try to get something to hold that down so it's not flopping around for the test drive. All right, we're gonna go for the test drive. I will put on my seatbelt because the machine is limited to 18 miles an hour without that. first thought is, I mean, I feel protected knowing it's back there, and it makes me think I'd like to have a rear view mirror. That would be nice. My freaking head's in the way, but as you can see, you know, you can definitely see a rider behind you. I can see the grass, I can see the buildings up there. And if you're a person that, you know, part of the day you want the mud off of your neck, and then part of the day you want ventilation, you can roll that window down and secure it. So I definitely would give this thing a grade of an A. There's always one little thing when I'm checking out a product for myself or for a video, and that only one little thing is how that bottom flap covers up those little slots where I like to hook my bungee cords in. But I'm sure if I was keeping this, I could find an easy workaround for that. I'll back up to the camera, and you can go to StarknightMT, which is linked in the description below. Check out all the stuff they have, including this.